Here we have a 2008 Aprilia Tuono Factory R. Differences between this and a standard Tuono is the full Öhlins suspension, fully adjustable front and rear. See that back here, beautifully engineered suspension. It's pretty stiff, but soaks up the bumps better than you'd expect. For the most part, pretty comfortable on the road. Also, some of the other differences, it has gold Brembo brakes, front and back over here. The rear brakes are about as good at slowing you down as dragging your feet on the ground, but the front brakes feel spectacular. Great feel, great power. Don't know what it is with the rear brakes. It's just, from what I've read, a pretty common issue with these bikes. Also has the lightweight wheels that aren't found on the standard Tuono. This is more of a track setup kind of bike, but it actually cruises really well. Pretty comfortable. I've ridden it 70, 80 miles in the saddle without feeling fatigued or worn out or anything like that. So it'll munch up some miles way better than you'd expect a bike like this to. It's a 1000cc V-twin pumping out about 135 horsepower. And you pair that fully loaded weight of about 450-ish pounds. You've got yourself an absolute cracker here. Also, one of the other things comes standard with this bike is that special livery there. You got the line on the gas tank, with the bronze frame, I guess you would say. Let's see how the old girl sounds. Makes a fantastic commuter, fantastic on the track. Nobody will pull away from you, let's put it that way. The ease with which this thing will do 140 miles an hour is just simply breathtaking. While I've definitely considered myself to be more of an air-cooled kind of guy, this is definitely a great bike, and I'm glad I bought it. And I would highly recommend it if you're into Italian bikes. In other words, if you're cultured, this is the kind of bike for you.